Welcome to the channel. If you have not subscribed, please do so. Alright, this is going to be showing you how to clip mint, how to harvest it. I like to have mint water. It seems like that's the only way I like my water now. And when you get ready, all you do is you just pull the leaves off of the stems, but you wash them, you know. Now I'm going to also show you how to get some rosemary. Let me show you. Over here we have got our rosemary, and all I do is I come in, I clip off what I need, I put it in a glass of water. I take the few little stems here and I just stick it in water, and I have it in the kitchen, but I wash it, you know, make sure that the rosemary doesn't have any kind of bugs or anything like that on it. But I love to grab some of the rosemary too. But I had someone ask me about the spearmint. How do I harvest it? So I wanted to show you how I harvest it. And all I do is just come in here, clip off some leaves. Don't worry about it, guys. It comes back. Do not plant this stuff in a big garden. It's very invasive, as you can tell, and you really just need to put it in pots or a raised bed like I got, and then there you go. And what I like to do is I'll wash it and grind it up. Well, I'll wash it real good, and some people grind it, but what I like to do is I take some hot water and I pour over my mint, let it completely cool, put it in the refrigerator, add ice water, ice to it whenever I want a little bit of spearmint water. Hope you guys enjoy that. Now I'm gonna come back and show you guys another video.